You know, every single day on the news, how many people die in our county because of a DWI? How many? Every single day. We lead the nation in alcohol-related collisions and fatalities because of boneheaded moves that are made day in, day.
This case isn't just another DWI charge, it's a potential.
When family shows up in court, it's usually for one of two reasons: support or damage control. Can this intervention steer things in a better direction?
Remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you. I see. So he's also charged with abandonment. Is it out of the same transaction?
Yeah, we had a long discussion with him this morning.
I don't know anything about it. Let's find out what's going on, please.
Judge. On April 11th, 2025, an officer was dispatched to an unknown accident, and noticed a vehicle, a pickup truck, illegally parked in the front yard of the residence. There were fresh tires, skid marks, a broken wheel and axle. Visibly appeared to be damaged from the Ram truck to a legally parked red Jeep Compass. The law enforcement officer made contact with the complainant, and then, it said that the damage to the Jeep was brought on $5,000. The defendant admitted to driving the truck. Was later identified. The officer also.
This is where the case takes a sharp turn. The eyewitness claims Kubler was stumbling, slurring his speech, and reeking of alcohol, all classic signs of intoxication. But here's the problem. Eyewitness testimony, while powerful, is not bulletproof. Would you trust a conviction solely on a neighbor's observation, especially when no sobriety tests are officially logged? This gap in procedure is a huge red flag. Could sloppy police work end up saving this defendant from conviction?
Upon exiting the vehicle, the witness was not stumbling, and then the witness observed slurred speech and strong odor of alcohol beverage emitting from the defendant's breath and person. The defendant also admitted that he was trying to clear the scene and go home, but his vehicle was stolen. The officer made contact with the defendant, who was detained, and noticed a strong odor of alcoholic beverage. And the officer then conducted a standardized field sobriety test, where he witnessed. Sorry, Your Honor, the dims leaves off and does not show the standardized field sobriety test results. The officer asked the defendant his intoxication level. The defendant said he was at a 6 out of 10. The defendant said he does not believe it was safe to operate his motor vehicle at this level of intoxication, but had an 11-year-old passenger.
He did not.
I'm sorry, he did not. He did not. I apologize. Just a moment to see if I can.
Judge, I'm going to tell you that's kind of where the DWI investigation stops. The first response that I have is that no field sobriety tests were performed. It also, the credibility of the wheel witness was never discussed in the DIMS, whether the officer found them credible or reliable, etc. So I really can't make a lot of sense out of.
It's like the DIMS are.
Wow, did you hear that? The judge just compared the police report to a Orton. That's not just sarcasm. That's a serious indictment of law enforcement's professionalism. Without documented sobriety tests or credibility checks for the witness, the entire foundation of this case is shaky at best. It raises a bigger question. If reports are this poorly written, how many other cases slid through the cracks? Let me know in the comments. Do you think this was laziness or systemic negligence?
Writing the reports
Yes, Your Honor.
over and over and over. I mean, really.
Trying to see if I can find anything else.
Case after case, we're just
So Judge, things don't say it, don't say what is the results of those fan revealed sobriety tests, and we do not have an officer.
How on earth am I supposed to find probable cause when Mickey Mouse is writing these reports?
I don't say, I don't know why it's not in the DIMS. Obviously, we didn't write it in here. We represent what is written in there, and so I understand your frustration.
And there you have it. Despite damning eyewitness testimony and Kubler's own admission of being A6 out of this junk, the judge rules no probable cause simply because the report lacked the necessary detail. It's a sharp reminder that in the courtroom, procedure can be just as important as evidence. What do you think? Was justice served here, or did get a lucky break? If you found this case as shocking as we did, make sure to hit that like button. Share your thoughts in the comments, and they may not courtroom breakdowns.
I'm going to find no probable cause in your case. Don't kill anyone. You know, every single day on the news, how many people die in our county because of a DWI? How many? Every single day. We lead the nation in alcohol-related collisions and fatalities because of boneheaded moves that are made day in, day out. Now, this is not to say that they may not indict this case at a later time, but be whatever, just don't kill someone, please.